Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to solve OTG not working in Android phone. First method is to enable developer mode. Open settings, scroll up to about phone, and under software information, tap the build number 7 times to enable developer mode. After enabling it, go back to settings and you'll see developer options. Scroll down to networking, then select default USB configuration. Choose transferring files to make sure OTG devices are recognized as file transfers devices. This may also resolve your OTG issue. Second method is to enable USB debugging. On the developer options, scroll down and find USB debugging, then toggle it on and confirm by selecting OK. The third method is to reset USB settings using a secret code. Open your phone's dialer and enter the code *#0808#. A USB setting menu will appear. Select the first option to reset USB connection settings. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.